going on, guys? It's that time of the month for an Alpha Outpost unboxing. I'm doing this a little different from my laptop camera. I'm going to see how it turns out. If it turns out good, I'll do this more often. I'm afraid that the mic that I'm using right here, as you can see, it wasn't working when I first got it, but I did some tinkering with it and I finally got it to work, and I'm going to see how it turns out. So I apologize if the sound is crappy. You know, this month is October, Halloween this month. Everybody loves Halloween, me especially. This month's box is called Blade, and since I've been getting these boxes are actually my favorite ones to get, something that I know that's going to have a blade in it or two. If you're not familiar with Alpha Outpost, it's a monthly outdoor membership club. Your first box is $5, and if you get your first box and you love it, which I know you will, anything thereafter is $40 a month, and everything in these boxes to me is worth the price. That $40, you're guaranteed one big item in the box that's going to be at least worth that much. So it's a win-win in my opinion. So enough of me jabbering, let's get on with this unboxing. Like I said, this month is October 2020. The name of the box is Blade, and a special shout out to UPS for damaging the box. This is the size of the blade, or the box rather. And I do know what's in here because I had to check to make sure nothing was broken when I went and picked it up. And I think you guys are going to like this month. It's really awesome. Give you a little bit of hint, that's what's on the back. So when you open these boxes, you are greeted with one of these, and it tells you basically what's inside the box, and I usually show that off last. And as you guys can see, this month is pretty awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down so I can make sure everything focuses on this new camera. In every box you get a nice patch, and these things are nice and thick, as you can see. That's always nice. And what I first see is, I don't know if you guys are familiar with knives, but this type of knife is called a karambit. And as you can see, it's a nice, got a big nice blade on it. And you can, hold it like that if you want, or hold it like this when you, slice and dice. That's a pretty nice blade, and it does have a lock on it. The second item, as you've seen on the back of the box, it had the round targets. Check those bad boys out. I'm going to get this plastic off because that's all you guys are going to hear on the microphone is that plastic. Get that off of there. Wow. This is the first time I've actually looked at these close up, and these are really nice. And these are called, if I'm not mistaken, kunai, K-N-A-I, I think. And as you can see, you get 3 nice kunais. I hope I'm saying that right. These are really nice. Check that out. Really nice. And I'll definitely be taking this box out back and chucking these kunais at this box. Of course, you get another nice sheath for them. Pretty awesome. I didn't look at this last item because I wanted to save it as like a first impression with you guys. You get a nice size machete. Check that out. Nice carrying case. And this part unzips. That's kind of cool. Remember, this will be the first time I'm actually looking at the actual blade. Oh wow, that is really nice. Look at that, guys. It's got the tip saver on them. Check that out. Now that is a blade. Heck yeah. I absolutely I love this box. This is a nice box, and it's got the full tang on it. As you can see, it goes up straight down through the handle. Oh yeah. And of course, last but not least, the piece of cardboard in here. It's a machete. Gives you the machete history. And on the other side, it's got the pack list. You get the kukri machete, the tactical karambit pocket knife, and the kune 3-piece knife throwing set. And they all, except for the knife, include a carrying sheath. As you can see, that's pretty cool. Flip it over on that side. This box I love. I'm not gonna lie. This is a great box. I would definitely cut the back of the targets off, take it out back, and chuck some of the canays at them. Sorry, tongue twister. But remember, this is October 2020. The box is called Blade. Thank you guys for hanging out with me on this unboxing. Appreciate all the support. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up. I'll be looking out for next month's unboxing as well. Until then, guys, peace.